Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have some breaking news for you from Virgin Holidays. But first, a small disclaimer. We're not sponsored by Virgin Holidays. This is subject to availability. Any further details you can find on Virgin Holidays website. The following is the early bird offer for 2026 for UK residents. Listen carefully. Number one, quick service meal plan includes 2 quick service meals per day for your stay. So that's 2 weeks, plus 1 snack, plus a free refillable mug. A free refillable mug. You haven't got to buy it. That's fantastic. Number 2, a one-off. This is £300 off the balance. £300. That's a lot of money. Number 3, 14-day park tickets for the price of 7. So 14-day park tickets for the price of 7. And that's including the park hopper. And number 4, free memory maker. So I'll just read those again for you. First one is quick service meal plan. 2 quick service meals per day plus a snack. So that's fantastic in itself. Free refillable mug. £300 off your balance. 14 days park tickets for the price of 7. That's incredible. And that's including a park hopper and a free memory maker. Okay. Now, this is subject to availability, so you've got to do it now. You have to be resident in the UK, and this is for 2026. Do it now so you're not disappointed. Okay. Best of luck. Happy holidays. Bye for now.